First Team Real Estate.
You'll find just the right home for you.
This video is brought to you by your real estate agent. This condominium is a great choice for those who want the privacy and easy maintenance of condo living, and it's located in this area.
Currently listed at just over $425,000.
It's been on the market since January. Wondering how it stacks up against the competition? There are now 110 homes on the market within this zip code. With a median list price of just over $500,000 and a median sale price of just over $475,000. If you're thinking about getting a mortgage for this property, you could be looking at these options with regards to current interest rates and monthly payments. This property was built in 1995 and features over 1,300 square feet of space, giving you a spacious layout to play host or kick back and relax after a long day. Inside, you'll find 2 bedrooms, so you always have a private space to come home to, and 3 partial bathrooms. But let's talk about what really makes this home stand out. Parents will be happy to know that it's located near several schools. All these great features add up to a property that might be not just your next house, but your next home. On behalf of this video's sponsor, thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more, click on screen to contact us for more information or share this property with your friends. We look forward to hearing from you.